Jay Barsonis, product engineer on shutters. My responsibilities are shutter design, shutter improvement, some process work for the factory, and mainly quality improvements. Having your own wood facility to make wood profiles is definitely an advantage for us. We have our own wood mill, Grayling, so we get most of our components from Grayling, so that way the integration is much easier. Shipped down to Reynosa. We do all our own molding, all our own priming, painting, assembly. You know, it's definitely an advantage for us to be able to extrude our own components, have it under our control, not relying on somebody overseas to hit our timelines and hit our cost points. And then composite. We have a stiffening bar in the shutter, and that's going to be, it's a little bit thicker now, it's stiffer, it's going to run the entire length of the panel, so it reduces the sag a lot in our panel. It's fire rated to California standards, 701 NFPA, so that's a big deal, especially in California. It's waterproof, you could use these underwater, and they'd be fine. I mean, it's a long process. I mean, it's more than just changing the product. You get to spec out all new machines, you know, floor layouts. So it's a big deal for the factory as well. So it's been at least over a year-long process. In wood, for example, they're adding some additional colors that people have wanted. We're adding the double hung option. And then we had some issues with T-posts. How do you install a T-post into a window without a frame? There's no frame, it's hard to get the T-post in the window in the right position, so we're adding L brackets for ease installation. And then also a little aligning catch is going to help the cafe shutters stay closed better. And then in a composite, we're adding all those options for wood, and then also the way we assemble our composite now with the aluminum bar running the length of the panel to make it stiffer. And then we're also, instead of relying on glue to keep the shutter together in one screw, we're going to eliminate the glue and put 2 screws on each corner of the shutter, and so that'll also help stiffen it up. We're very excited about our new packaging method we've implemented in Reynosa, where we wrap our shutters in plastic, inflate the plastic, and it essentially creates tight plastic tubing around the shutters. This will greatly help reduce any shutter damage that we've seen. We also use foam end pieces on the tops and bottoms of our shutters, which is usually the main area of impact on panels, which helps reduce any shutter damage. There's been a lot of improvements in the last year that we're the best we've been in shutters.